Hello, I'm Stephen Tagliato, Customer Service Operations Manager at Unico Incorporated, the leading small duct high velocity equipment manufacturer. We're here today to show the people the ease of installation and setup of the ECM configuration software. We will show you how to install and run the computer software supplied with each Green Series blower module, which operates our new variable speed ECM motor. There are 4 key features and benefits of the Green Series. The first of which is 110 volts, 220 volt compatible. Number 2, our variable speed ECM motor is 62% more efficient at low speeds than our PSC motor is, and it's 42% more efficient at high speed than our PSC motor is. Number 3, ease of zoning capabilities without the use of a bypass damper. We do get into this more in depth at an advanced product training class, zoning with Green Series air handler, and this information can be found at www.unicosystem.com. And finally, you can upgrade any standard Unico blower module manufactured after 2003 to the Green Series. Inside the control module box, you will find a DVD which you can put into your laptop, which we'll show you in a few minutes. And this will show you how to set up and program and operate the advanced control board. There is also a USB cord to connect from your laptop to the advanced control module. And then finally, of course, the advanced Green Series control module. We're going to load the CD into the DVD drive of the laptop, close it up, follow the instructions. It'll install. Once it's installed, fully installed, you'll see an icon, the ECM icon on your laptop. Once you see the ECM icon on your laptop, you want to connect your USB port to your laptop, the other end to the control module, at which point you will also see a light blink that shows that you're connected to the laptop. Double click on the icon, and then you get the operating parameters for the motor for the control board. Now that we have the blower and coil modules assembled, the control box mounted and wired, it's time to start up the SCB control module to display the operations. So what we'll do is first we'll click, as always, you're supposed to adjust high cool speed first, so we'll click on high cool thermostat override. So we're overriding the thermostat and doing it all right here at the control module. As you see, the actual airflow CFM is climbing. The RPM are climbing as well. It's a soft start on, soft start off. This will go up. It'll climb all the way up to 652, as we'll see here in a moment. And the RPMs will catch up to it. Behind that, we do not have any ductwork attached to this unit, so we may not get the full 1800 RPMs. But we will get quite a few, and we'll get whatever the unit can produce without a restriction on it. So we're at 652, and as you can see, we're capping out just over 1,000, and it's still climbing a little bit, and it will do that a little longer. If we wanted to reduce the high cool, we can click the buttons and come down. We can click it up and go up higher if we chose to. There is a limit, as you see here. The unit will tell us that you are out of the acceptable range, the maximum range, so we'd have to dial that back to get within that range. Once we're satisfied with our high cool settings and it's where we want it, and it's producing the RPMs that we'll need on a typical system that is ducted, this will be almost 1800 RPMs, if not right on it. Once we're satisfied, we can click that off, and you'll see that the unit will start to drop RPMs, CFMs, and they'll go down to 0 and the unit will shut off. If we want to adjust for our fan only airflow, we click on that, it'll become highlighted, and the unit again will start to climb up to the desired CFMs. Again, you can set that up or down, or you can click it, type in a number, and it'll reach that number. It'll climb up to it. If you wanted it lower, it'll reduce down to 300. Whatever number you want, you can put in there. And that's just a fan circulation speed. The low cool, of course, you would click on low cool, click off thermostat override, and now the unit, you can set your low cool setting. This is if you had a 2-speed condensing unit. You would use this operation. It would be no less than half of your high cool, of course. It can be higher. It can be slightly lower, but no less than half of high cool. Alright, once we're satisfied with that, we go to our high heat if we have heat, and you can set that. Again, you click on it, it gets highlighted, you can adjust up or down. And the unit will climb. If we're satisfied with that, we click that off. Emergency heat, again, you can set that to whatever you want. That's your electric resistance heat. High heat would be a furnace boiler type of high heat, low heat W1, W2 setup. Of course, low cool, high cool, Y1, Y2. Fan is just your fan speed for air circulation. Once you have your settings set to where you would like, you're good to go. Then you would click on your boxes on whatever it is that you are using. If you're not using low heat, high heat, emergency heat, you don't have to click on them. And now the thermostat will take over the operations of the high cool, low cool settings and the fan operation speeds.